In a world where technology continues to shape the way we live, work, and interact, one profession stands at the forefront of this transformative wave: the legal field. The use of artificial intelligence in the legal profession is not just a trend, it's a revolution. It's changing the way lawyers work, making their tasks more efficient, and raising the bar on accuracy to unprecedented heights. But here's the big question: can AI replace lawyers entirely? The answer might surprise you. Today, we delve into the fascinating realm where human legal expertise meets the power of artificial intelligence. AI is the ultimate sidekick for lawyers, capable of performing certain tasks with superhuman precision. But don't be fooled. This is not a battle of man versus machine. It's a partnership, a fusion of human creativity and the unerring accuracy of AI. Together, they are creating a legal dream team. So join us as we navigate the future of the legal profession. Welcome to a world where AI and lawyers unite in harmony. Welcome to the future of law, where innovation knows no bounds. According to Forbes, AI is poised to transform the legal industry by automating tasks like research, contract drafting, and ensuring legal compliance. It'll be like having the ultimate legal assistant. But hold on, it's not all about replacement. AI isn't ready to take on lawyers' roles entirely. It's not infallible, lacks human judgment, and can't stand in a courtroom to fight for your rights. Instead, AI opens doors to new horizons. It allows lawyers to focus on more complex, strategic tasks and provide exceptional value to clients. Reasons. So, in this part of our journey, we're diving deep into the captivating reasons why lawyers are unlikely to be replaced entirely by AI. So let's embark on this enlightening exploration. Complexity and nuance. The first reason, my friends, is complexity and nuance. The legal world is a labyrinth of intricate issues that often require the brilliance of the human mind. Lawyers navigate through complex cases filled with nuances and subtleties that AI, despite its prowess, sometimes finds perplexing. AI can crunch data, but understanding the full context, the emotional nuances of a case, or interpreting the gray areas of the law, that's where humans excel. Ethics and moral judgment. Then comes ethics and moral judgment. Legal cases often intertwine with ethical and moral dilemmas that demand the wisdom and empathy of a human heart. AI lacks the moral compass and emotional depth to make those crucial ethical decisions. Advocacy and negotiation. Advocacy and negotiation, a lawyer's bread and butter. These are skills honed by humans over centuries, involving the art of persuasion and adaptability in dynamic situations. AI, well, it's not there yet. Client relationships. Folks, they're not just transactions. They're bonds built on trust and emotional support. Clients often lean on their lawyers for advice and guidance beyond the legal jargon, something AI simply can't provide. Evolving laws and regulations. Laws and regulations are a moving target. They evolve, change, and adapt with time. Lawyers have a unique ability to interpret and apply these new laws in specific cases, thanks to their profound understanding of legal principles. According to recent research done by Andy Crestodina, AI and the legal world, it's a partnership that's catching on fast. Let's break it down. Check this out. About 46% of folks want their lawyers to team up with AI. It's a time saver when you're paying by the hour, right? Here's how the numbers stack up. 46% rely solely on human lawyers. 38% have human lawyers with AI support. 13% let AI do the heavy lifting, but lawyers double-check. And a bold 3%, they let AI create contracts. No human intervention is needed. Risks of employing AI in legal practice. AI in the legal industry. It's a game changer, but we can't ignore the risks. Let's dive right in. Lack of nuance. AI can whip up legal advice, but it's not the same as the nuance, creativity, and judgment of human lawyers. AI might even conjure up seemingly plausible, but utterly fabricated results, leading to legal chaos. There's the risk of hallucinated outcomes. AI's confidence sometimes leads it astray. And bias. If the training data is biased, the AI follows suit. Lawyers, be warned. Using AI without thorough testing can lead to legal liability. Concerns about data privacy. Now, privacy concerns. AI tools can gobble up data, and if it's sensitive or personal info, it's a privacy minefield. Sharing personal info without a proper data processing agreement can even put you on the wrong side of the law. Legal compliance and privacy laws. Think GDPR or the California Consumer Privacy Act. These laws mean business when it comes to data protection. Lack of transparency. And here's the kicker: transparency. AI tools, while powerful, often operate like a black box. You get the result, but you might have no clue how it got there. That's risky business. But don't get me wrong, AI is not the enemy here. In fact, it's the legal professional's trusty sidekick. Many law firms and legal experts are embracing AI, recognizing it as a powerful tool to enhance efficiency, streamline tasks, and focus on higher value, strategic legal work. The legal landscape is shifting, my friends. Lawyers are evolving to work hand in hand with AI, improving their services and embracing the future of law. So there you have it. The legal profession is dynamic, adapting to the ever-evolving world of technology. Lawyers are not going anywhere, they're here to stay and thrive, with AI as their trusted ally. If you found this journey as enlightening as we did, don't forget to subscribe our channel AI Surge for more incredible insights into the future of law. See you in the next episode.